Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be installing this pre-bleached, pre-plucked unit that I got from Nadula Hair. This is their Yaki Kinky Straight bob that I received from them. As you guys can see, this hair came pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So this is my lace prior to me installing it. Look how nice it really looks, like skin. And I really love how bomb and how thin this lace is. So if you guys are interested in this unit and this glueless install, just keep watching. So first things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my wig. I haven't done anything to this wig. This wig already came cut, came bleached. So I'm just basically gonna straighten it and try my best to like blend it. I am using my lace powder that I got from Kiss. I'm gonna link it in the description down below, and I'm using the brush that came with it. And it did look bomb. I'm showing you guys right now that it is not glued. This is glueless. But I did kind of spray the front with hairspray just to kind of keep it secure. I didn't have to. I just chose to, honestly. You could go without it. I just chose to do it. So then I went ahead and used my hot comb to chase down this hair. As I said in the earlier portion of this video, this is kinky straight. So I had to like make sure I tamed the hair. But this hair looks so bomb. It's super soft. The lace is spectacular. The HD lace is just bomb. Like honestly, this wig is really nice. It's gonna be one of my favorite wigs. I don't really have that many bob wigs, so I was super excited to actually get this unit from Nadula. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start styling this hair. This is minimal styling, minimal installation. I barely had to do anything. So I'm just gonna, go in and out and talk to you guys about what I'm doing in this unit, but everything is pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use hot comb to just lay my wig down. So right now I'm trying to figure out whether I wanted to cut the wig some more or just keep it at the length. I did end up keeping it at the length, but this wig would be cute if I cut it just a little bit more. But I decided not to because I just didn't want to mess it up. And honestly, I could just buy another wig and get it that short because this wig is bomb. It looks so good. All I'm doing right now is straightening it with my heat and trying to figure out if I would like to cut this wig. So yeah, this hair is really nice. I really like the Yaki texture. I do want to get it in the longer length too, but Yaki texture automatically just looks good anyway. is so nice and it's given. I just absolutely love it. I'm glad that I got this wig in my collection and I can't wait to wear it more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out the description for all information on this unit, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Nadula.